Barney? What's going on? Why aren't you inside?
This is mine.
What?
This is mine.
I don't understand.
JJ gets a real childhood, a family, and the basketball hoop. No. I'm taking it with me, all right? I'm taking it with me.
Barney, please, just talk to me.
Why? Why should I? You're just some lame suburban dad, all right? You're just lame, all right?
Why does that bother you so much?
Because if you're gonna be some lame suburban dad, why couldn't you have been that for me?
Look, Barney, I know I screwed up.
I was screwed up as you begin to describe.
I know! I know. I want to fix this. Please, tell me how. I'll do anything. You're never going to get it down like that. Barney, put the pointy end into the grooves. That's it. Now turn it. Righty, tighty, lefty, loose. I have no good excuses, Barney. It took me years before I was even able to look myself in the mirror for the way that I let you down. It took courage to send me that letter. More courage than I ever had. I owe you a lifetime of apologies, and I just have no idea where to begin.
Can you help me with this?
There. Look, Barney, if you ever feel like you're ready, I'd love nothing more than to be a part of your life.
Bye.